the Burlington Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 51 degrees, with a dew point of 41, giving a relative humidity of 68%. The wind was northwest at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 26. The pressure was 29.77 inches and rising. At Plattsburgh, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 57 degrees, with a dew point of 34, giving a relative humidity of 41%. The wind was west at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 26. At Colchester Reef, the temperature was 52 degrees, and the average wind was west at 28 miles an hour. Atop Mount Mansfield, the temperature was 34 degrees, and the average wind was northwest at 44 miles an hour. Across the rest of Vermont, it was 51 at St. Johnsbury. At Morrisville, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 52. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 51 at Montpelier, 44 at Lyndonville, 53 at Rutland, and 56 at Springfield. At Highgate, the weather conditions were not available. In New York State, at New York City, it was sunny, with a temperature of 68. At Plattsburgh, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 57. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 45 at Saranac Lake, and 54 at Messina. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 55 at Ogdensburg, 55 at Glens Falls, and 54 at Watertown. In New Hampshire and Massachusetts, at Whitefield, New Hampshire, rain was falling, with a temperature of 45. At Boston, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 64. At Concord, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 59. At Lebanon, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 56. Across southern Canada, at Montreal, rain was falling, with a temperature of 45. At Sherbrooke, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 48. At Ottawa, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 43. In New Hampshire, on top of Mount Washington, snow showers and hail and blowing snow were reported, reducing the visibility to near zero at the summit. The wind was west at 71 miles an hour, gusting to 79, and the temperature was 27 degrees. Once again, at the Burlington Airport, it was 51 degrees under cloudy skies. This is NOAA Weather Radio KIG60, all hazards, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz from the top of Mount Mansfield in northwestern Vermont. This transmitter services the counties of Addison, Chittenden, Franklin, Grand Isle, Lamoille, and Washington in Vermont. In northern New York, Essex, Franklin, and Clinton counties. The current time is 3:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here is the latest special weather statement. Gusty showers will impact Clinton, northeastern Franklin, northeastern Essex, northern Lamoille, Orleans, northwestern Essex, Grand Isle, northern Chittenden, and Franklin counties through 3:30 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking gusty showers along a line extending from 24 miles north of Derby Line Village to 24 miles north of Highgate to 8 miles north of Chateauguay. Movement was southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and pea-sized hail. Source, Montreal observed peak gust to 45 miles per hour and public reports of pea-sized hail. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Moores Village, Champlain Village, Plattsburgh International Airport, Burlington, Keithville, Island Pond, Dannemora, Rouse's Point, Newport City, South Burlington, Enosburg Falls, Orleans, Derby Center, Charleston, Champlain, Montgomery Center, Westford, Sheldon, Brownington Village, and Waterville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 87 between mile markers 132 and 175. Interstate 89 between mile markers 92 and 129. Interstate 91 between mile markers 159 and 177. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. At 9 a.m., the center